guys, welcome back to Kiran Edits. How good is your general knowledge of animals? This ultimate trivia challenge will test your brain with 30 unique questions you have never heard before. Make sure to subscribe the Kiran Edits channel for more exciting quizzes. Now let's start the game. Here's the first round. Which animal can breathe through its skin? Frog or crocodile? Yes, it's frog. They can absorb oxygen directly through their moist skin. Which animal pops is shaped like a perfect cube? Koala or a wombat? Wombat is the correct answer. Hope you guess it correctly. Tell me in the comments below. Okay, next question. Which bird is the only one that can fly backward? Eagle or hummingbird? It's hummingbird. Their unique shoulder joints allow their wings to move in a full circle. Do you know it? Which animal never stops growing throughout its entire life? Lobster or sea turtle? Lobster is correct answer. They just keep shedding their shells and growing bigger forever. Which animal is born without a skeleton and develops its later? Kangaroo or a shark? The kangaroo. When a baby chew is born, its bones are made of soft cartilage, not hard bone. Let's count fast. How many times does deer appears? Amazing counting if you got that right. So tell me in the comments below. Round 6. Which mammal has teeth that never stop growing? The rabbit is the correct answer. Hope you guess it correctly. Which bird eyes are physically bigger than its entire brain? Owl or an ostrich? Amazing! It's ostrich. Their eyes are the largest of any land animal. Which animal uses its tail like a fifth leg to balance? Oh, do you know it, guys? It's the kangaroo. Their muscular tail hits the ground with enough force to push them forward. Do you know it? Next round. Which creature can sleep for up to 3 years straight? Snail or a sloth? The snail is the correct answer. Hope you guess it too and get the points. Which sea animal heart located inside its head? Dolphin or a shrimp? Rounds completed. How's your score? Now choose your team. Are you team tiger or your team lion? Like this video if you are team tiger or subscribe my channel if you are team lion. Next round. Which animal's suit turns bright pink in the sun? Pig or hippo? It's the hippo. The pink fluid acts as a natural sunscreen and moisturizer. Which animal is completely immune to the sting of a jellyfish? Sea turtle or a shark? The sea turtle. Leatherback turtles eat jellyfish as their main food source. Next round. Which insect can live for a week without its head? Ant or cockroach? The cockroach. They breathe through tiny holes in their body segments, not their mouth. Which mammal has a bite strong enough to crush a bowling ball? Grizzly bear or gorilla? The grizzly bear is the correct answer. Hope you know it. Which animal is known to hold hands while sleeping so they don't drift away? Sea otters. They wrap themselves in kelp and hold paws in group called rafts. Which bird drops bones from high in the air to break them open? The correct answer is bearded vulture. Which animal can look in two different directions at the exact time? Next round, which animal is officially the slowest moving mammal on earth? Snail or a sloth? It's the sloth. They move so slowly. Which sea creature can mimic the shape and color of up to 15 different sea animals? It's the mimic octopus. Next round, which animal does not have any vocal cords and make no sounds? Zebra or a giraffe? It's the giraffe. They rely on visual signals. Do you know it, guys? Let's check your sharp eyes. Can you find the odd one? Amazing! Here is it! Which lizard can actually run across the surface of water? Do you know it, guys? Which marine animal has a skeleton made completely of flexible cartilage instead of bone? Shark or whale? It's the shark. Their cartilage makes them lighter and much more flexible in the water. Next round, which animal sleeps with only one half of its brain at a time? Dolphin or koala? Amazing job! It's dolphin. Hope you guess it right. Which bird can fly higher than Mount Everest? Which small insect can lift up to 50 times its own body weight? It's the ant. Do you know this one? Which creature can survive in the freezing vacuum of outer space? Come and guess if you guess it correctly. Which animal has unique fingerprints that look almost like human prints? Chimpanzee or koala? It's the koala. Even under a microscope, it is very difficult to tell them apart from human prints. Which animal uses its whisker to test if a space is too tight for its body? Mouse or cat? It's the cat. Hope you guess it right. Which animal has a tongue that weighs as much as an entire adult elephant? Last round, which creature has teeth on its tongue to scrape up food? Snail or butterfly? Yup, it's snail. Hope you guessed it correctly. Tell me in the comments below. What an amazing quiz! How many did you get right, guys? Drop your final score in the comments. If you enjoyed this channel knowledge, so like, subscribe my channel. See you in the next video. Bye bye.